these brown colored lines are called as contours, and these are the connecting points of an equal elevation which are above the sea level. That means when you follow a contour of a single elevation, the whole area which is covered by the single line has the same elevation from the mean sea level. So the contour lines will show you the topography of any land, and these contour lines are beneficial in identifying the hills or the valleys. So contour lines usually give the elevation profile. So these are used by the land surveyors, architects, engineers, and people who do mining, and also for the geologist. So topography is a simple study of the geographical features of a landscape, and this contains contour map. So this is called as a topographic map. So the topographic map is a combination of all the colors, shades, and the contour lines which are representing the change in elevation and also the terrain shape. And these are usually three-dimensional in map, and these are useful for identification of any valleys or any lines. And when you have these differences in the spacing of the line, that will indicate the shallow slope or a steep slope. So when you have a closed lines of contours, then it indicates that the depth is too down and they are too steep. And when you have a progressive gap between the contours, then it indicates that these contours are indicating a shallow depth region.